Step one, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step two, get some good, some food in you. Step three, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step four, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you
start off this way first. Is that Shimano Corrado K, you guys? Oh my god, it's nice. Look at what the pond looks like right now. Perfect for top water. Yeah, I haven't really dialed this reel in yet. It's like my first time throwing. This is on it. Yeah, it is my first time throwing the Shimano. Honestly, I really like it. It's really smooth, really light, super compact. Let's see if that did anything. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. And I'm gonna turn this up even a little bit more. There we go. There we go. No, that was a decent fish too, you guys. That was a decent one. No. Oh man. Ah, that was a decent fish. He was about 1.5 pounds probably. That was awesome though. Oh, I love top water. Starting out with this mini filthy frog. Ooh man, this thing casts. Oh my god, so far. Alright, let's put on the popper. See if I can't get any luck on the popper. There we go, you guys. There we go. Oh! Oh my god, that was a good one too. Oh. Oh man, the drag was a little loose. Ah. I could feel it slipping when I got the hook set. Dang it, man. Dang it, dang it, dang it. That was a good fish. See if we can't get one fish to stick the hooks, man. What? Really? Right next to me? Alright, you guys, quick word from today's sponsor. Today's sponsor, you guys, Beard Brand. Beard Brand, you guys, is an amazing beard and hair company that has all kinds of stuff, you guys. They got anything from your body to your beard to your hair, head to toe. I'm telling you guys, head to toe Beard Brand, they're awesome. I recommend them. They sent me an entire kit, you guys, with everything that you need to make your beard nice and soft and silky and just beautiful feeling, you guys. I'm telling you, you won't be so itchy once you start using the Beard Brand, especially the oil right here, you guys, the Beard Brand oil. This stuff is awesome. 3 to 4 drops a day at least, and just rub it into your mustache, rub it into your beard. Your beard will be feeling really good, and the smell is really awesome. This is the Temple Smoke. I really like this woodsy smell. It's all natural ingredients. All their products have natural ingredients inside of them, guys. None of that harsh stuff that you can find in all the big guys stuff. None of the harsh chemicals. All good stuff for your hair. I'm telling you, my hair and my beard is loving this stuff, you guys. Thank you, Beard Brand, for sponsoring today's video. Let's go ahead and get back to today's video. Peace. Kind of hard to when I had a bite from a way bigger fish on the popper, the blooper, than I did on the regular frog. So there we go. Little guy. Don't you spit it. Don't you spit it. He's little, but he's got some girth to him, you guys. He's got some meat on his bones, I can tell. All right, first fish of the day. I missed two earlier on top water. Threw it straight down this line after I brung the popper over there and nothing ate it. So I switched over to this little Mondo worm, Texas rig. Oh God, he wasn't even hooked that good either. I was about to lose this fish. Oh, I would have been so mad. Look at that, Guggenrod, Ever Garcia Black Max, and the Mondo worm. Skeeted on top of the water right there, you seen that? My goodness. I needed that fish, you guys, really badly. I knew there was going to be one down that line, though. I knew it. There might be another one, who knows? We're going to see. There might be some more down here. Are you kidding me? You gotta be freaking kidding me, man. That thing went, that was like a 3 pounder at least, just went flying, you guys. Oh my God. You know what he's chasing after too is that dragonfly right there. He just jumped after that dragonfly because it landed on top of a dang, top of one of these little reed looking pieces out here, man. God, no! No! Oh my God, you guys. Oh man. Goodness, that was a good fish. It just jumped out of the water. Like him, and he came a foot or two out of the water, man. Oh my God, he pulled it down. Oh. I mean, he definitely yanked it. He pulled it under. Oh my God, was that a turtle? I couldn't tell if that was a turtle or a fish. Yeah, that's a turtle. It just, no? Yeah, that was a turtle I went after at that time. There we go. No, oh my God, you guys. I'm about to lose my mind. That's the fourth fish I missed on a frog, on this frog, you guys, or period, a topwater period. You like, oh man, this is just so depressing, man. Please give me one bite on this. One more bite. One more freaking topwater bite and I'll be so happy, man. Got him that time, you guys. Oh, that's a good fish. That's a really good fish. Really good fish. Stay down. 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 Oh my God, you guys. Oh my God. Oh yes, on the brand new rod and reel. The brand new rod and reel, you guys. Oh God, don't you flop around too much. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Yes. Oh yes, you guys, look at that. Oh my God. Oh, that's at least like a 5 pound right there. He hit it like he was a half pounder. Oh my God. Oh, he just spit it out too so easily. Oh, I can't even get it in the water. Oh my God, you guys, that is a good fish though. Oh man. Nope, they're not working. They're not working. It's all right. Beautiful fish, you guys. He's at least, gosh, something just clobbered over there in the grass. He's at least, I'm gonna say 3 pounds. I'm gonna say 3, you guys. That is a nice fish. I gotta give him a little toss because it's super shallow right here. But look at him. I'm gonna give him one more look at that bucket mouth, you guys. Oh my God. I love it. Something clobbering top over there. Oh my God, you guys. Okay, let's let this fish go. Yep, I see him swimming straight out too. God. You guys have no idea how many casts I put into that corner. Oh man. That felt like an absolute giant when he started pulling me out to the deep, man. And it was a good fish, man. Holy cow. Whoo. Well worth it. A couple hundred casts into this corner. Oh my God, that was freaking awesome. I can't even, that's like definitely the biggest fish I caught in a couple weeks now. It's been a good couple weeks. The way he sucked it down too, it was like he was small. And then he just darted out to the middle. That's when I knew it was something big. The way he was just swimming straight out to the middle. Whew, I was trying to keep up with it the whole time. This reel isn't like the fastest gear ratio, but it was doing it, you guys. Oh man, I was hoping so. Oh man, I was hoping and praying that he wasn't gonna come off, you guys. Oh my God. They're definitely stacked up in this corner. Definitely stacked in this corner right here, apparently.
I missed like 4 or 5. I think I missed 5 fish. 5 or 6 on this top water. Caught one on the Mondo. I didn't even want to pick up the Mondo today. I don't want to pick up the bottom bait today. I wanted to stay with the top water. But when the fish stop biting, when the fish ain't hitting, sometimes you just gotta switch it up a little bit. Throw a Texas rig or just throw something else, a lipless, crankbait, something, you know what I mean? That's not top water. Yeah, I thought he had me hung up on something down there too, which was crazy. Cause it didn't move for a second. He went straight down. Oh my God. How did I, what? Gosh, you guys see that? I don't know if you guys did or not, cause all these freaking reeds in the way. Oh, there we go. There we go. No, it came off. How? No, I should have burned the trolling motor. I didn't expect to get on the boat just like I did yesterday, you know? Oh no! This freaking wind, man, is about to drive me crazy today. I don't know what it's supposed to be today, but it's definitely not working with me. Just spooked something right there. Oh my God. Just said it too. Let me try this give this a little try. Either swimming toad, a couple throws. There we go. There we go. Oh, that's a good fish, you guys. That's a good fish. Listen. You guys, he's spinning the boat around. Oh my God, you guys, this is a good fish. Really good fish. Oh, he's going under the boat. Oh, that's a good one. That's another like 4 or 5 pounder, you guys. That's another 4 pounder right there. Oh, yes. Look at that, you guys. Oh man. Yes, you guys. Fish number 3, day 2, you guys. Oh man, he was hooked pretty good too. He was not coming out. That is a beautiful fish right there. My God, you guys. Whew. All right, look at that. Yeah, buddy. Yeah. Yes, you guys, look at that. All right, on that white explode toad, that white toad by Googan Squad, you guys. Juicy fish, you guys. Oh man, this is a really good fish. All right, you guys. Not a bad way to start the day. Pushing 3 pounds. Let's go ahead and get a release on this girl. Whoa, my God, you guys. Beautiful fish. Let's go. I was right over here off this Lake Point area. All right. That was awesome, you guys. Yes. Fish number 1, he exploded on it and then gave me a run. He straight darted out, pulled into the boat a little bit. Man, that was a good fight. All right, let's see if there's any more out there. Good pushing 3-pounder, not bad at all, man. I'll take that for the first fish of the day. I'll definitely take that for the first fish.
Oh. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, it started getting a little warm out here today. Let me cut this off real quick. Started getting pretty warm out today, you guys. I'm not gonna lie. It's says 73 on the dash already, and it's almost 9 o'clock, so you know it's gonna be warm out today. Yesterday in the day ended up being some pretty good days. Today was a little windier than yesterday, but that's 3 fish, 2 on top water, 1 on a bottom bait. Not too bad, you guys. Not too bad for a day whenever this pond is usually pretty tough to fish. So I want to thank you guys for I want to thank you guys for tuning in this video. I really appreciate it. You guys are awesome. You guys are amazing. I thank you so much. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. If you would, please go ahead and smash that thumbs up if you enjoyed it. If you didn't enjoy it, smash that thumbs up anyways. We'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
Buddy. Oh my God, you guys.